What is web caching and how does it work? Every website you visit on the internet relies on certain code to present you the information that it does. In this example website that I've set up, I have JavaScript that handles most of the animations, HTML that handles most of the content of the website, such as the paragraphs and the headings and vice versa, and CSS, which handles most of the styling. Now, without caching, we can expect this website to load in 5.5 seconds, as the JavaScript takes about 2 seconds to execute, the CSS takes about 2.5 seconds to execute, and HTML takes about 1 second to execute. Now, do note that this is not true. This is not a given. This is based on a set of conditions, obviously, but I have given these values just as an example. Obviously, it also relies on your server speed and your response time and vice versa, which would obviously add on top of this. But in this example, I have just given 5.5 seconds for the website to load, considering all of the things. So what is different with a cached website? Well, a cached website pre-executes all of the code. So instead of letting your browser or your computer execute the JavaScript code, it has a pre-executed code for each of the code that the website has chosen to cache. In this example, I have not cached the HTML, and I have cached JavaScript and CSS. So whereas JavaScript used to take 2 seconds before, it now takes 0.5 seconds because it just relies on downloading and executing the pre-executed JavaScript, which takes a way less time than actually executing the JavaScript for your computer. Obviously, this is a way faster method also for various devices that don't have high computational power. And it also is a lot easier on the server because every time the server doesn't have to re-execute all of the commands that are stored within the code. So with caching, in this example that I've given, I've reduced the website's loading speed by a total of 3 seconds. So it went down from 5.5 seconds to 2.5 seconds.